Hi guys, this is Yash Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about one of the most interesting and requested topic, which is how to get rid of hormonal acne. Recently I helped Sara Sarosh and Shalini Mandal reversing their hormonal acne. And I'm sure so many of you out there are having the exact same problem and have tried multiple medications and multiple things, but nothing seems to work. And hormonal acne are indeed painful. In my today's video, I am going to tell you the exact footprint which I have given to Sara Sarosh and Shalini Mandal, which helped them in reversing their hormonal acne. I will also tell you, in case if you're interested, कि hormonal acne होता क्यों है, इसका root cause क्या होता है, जो usually लोगों को नहीं जानना होता है, but I'll tell you in short that also. And in today's video I will also tell you how you can have a skin which is 99% free from acne. If you have been following Sara Sarosh and Shalini Mandal from a very long time, they have in their many videos said that they have PCOD, PCOS.
Hi, I'm Sara and I have PCOS.
My PCOD was triggered,
And because of that they have been facing a lot of skin issues which is predominantly acne. अभी hormonal acne होते क्या है? When there is too much of एंड्रोजन इन अ फीमेल बॉडी, उससे आपके स्किन में ऑयल का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाता है और आपकी स्किन एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोडक्शन जो एंड्रोजन की वजह से बढ़ता है उसके लिए ससेप्टेबल नहीं होती है लाइक अ मेल स्किन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू ऑफन एंड अप हैविंग हार्मोनल एक्नेस. एंड्रोजन जो होता है वो आपकी बॉडी में डेवलप होता है बिकॉज ऑफ रॉन्ग काइंड ऑफ फूड हैबिट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ टू मच ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ टू मच ऑफ शुगर, बिकॉज ऑफ रॉन्ग डाइटरी पैटर्न्स दैट यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग. सबके केस में ये नहीं होता है, किसी किसी के केस में इट इज ऑल्सो द जेनेटिक कर्स फॉर देम, जिसमें उन बेचारों की कोई गलती नहीं होती. देयर बॉडी वेट इज जस्ट 60 किलो, दे हैव बीन फॉलोइंग अ फेयरली डिसेंट लाइफस्टाइल न्यूट्रिशन प्लान, but they will end up having hormonal acne or hormonal issues. Like if you pay attention, Sara Sarosh का जो transformation हुआ था उसकी जर्नी में, while she was losing weight or losing inches for that matter, even Shalini Mandal, I am going to document this, she started at 78 kilos of body weight. Currently she is at 68 kilos of body weight. Today when I spoke to her, she told me that. And the most important thing which she noticed at that both of them do not have acne today. So ये हुआ कैसे? Because when they were following my nutrition program, their insulin was very much monitored and balanced. हमने कुछ भी कट नहीं किया था because they're influencers, they travels a lot. So many of you out there travel a lot. You can't live your life just because you're following a nutrition program. So they travel a lot, and because of their travel, they cannot afford to eat less. अभी breakfast में कम खा लिया, you don't even know कि lunch कब खाने मिलेगा, किस टाइम पे खाने मिलेगा. You cannot follow a nutrition program that tells you to cut down on the quantity of your food. So what did I do is, I just focused on giving them the right nutrient. I never tell them to measure their food, and I gave them a nutrition program in which they were managing their sugar levels very well. They were managing their insulin very well. Insulin और androgen आपस में जुड़ा हुआ होता है, आपस में connected होता है. When your insulin goes down, androgen level automatically goes down, and when the androgen level goes down, you automatically start seeing hormonal acne is getting reversed. ये सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है. No matter how many dosage of Accutane or isotretinoin you will take, I guarantee वो सिर्फ symptoms को cure करता है. It is not fixing the problems from root cause. It is not reversing the problem because the problem is happening because of hormones. And isotretinoin सिर्फ आपके oil production को कम करता है. So until and unless you will have that medication, you are going to be free from acne. Now I am not saying कि किसी को बहुत acute acne है तो फिर उसने भी nutrition का सहारा लेना चाहिए. For temporary time being, चोट लगी है तो बैंडेज लगाना makes a lot of sense. But in case if you are somebody who still thinks कि okay, it is not that severe for me, nutrition is the only permanent solution for cystic acne, for hormonal acne. So in case if you are also somebody who is facing all these skin related issues, want to have a glowing skin, want to have a good quality skin, want to have a skin that is free from acne, the very first thing you have to fix into your routine lifestyle is your food. When your food is being monitored, when your nutrition is being monitored, I'm not saying controlled. Controlled is the wrong word. In fact, at times you have to run away from people who tell you to control. You should not control. You have to just add right thing. There is no such thing as subtraction. There is just addition when you are following the right nutrition. Both of them are very happy. They barely connect with me once in 5 days, once in 7 days. They speak to me, although they keep texting me every day and share their meal pictures and all of that. However, the nutrition program which I have designed for them is super flexible and easy to follow, and that's why they could manage and sustain it for so long. Of course, there are days when they have their cheat meal. In fact, Sarah in her many vlogs, she has also mentioned this thing कि देखो मेरा cheat meal हो गया इसलिए मुझे acne आ गया. This is how hyper connected your food and your acnes are. तो आपका expensive skin care किसी काम का नहीं है, आपके dermat treatment भी काफी हद तक useful नहीं है. And last but not the least, ये जो medications आप खाते हो Accutane, isotretinoin, ये भी किसी काम का नहीं है. In case if you want to fix your skin issues from long run, what you need to take care of is your food. In case if you want to have a detailed discussion on this particular topic with any consultant from Ask Natural, you can write it in the comment box. Although I will put our link in the description box through which you can get in touch with our expert directly, who will tell you exactly what you should do at this point of time to reverse your hormonal acne and to get rid of this problem permanently. Thank you. That's it.